Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the dock model and its power adapter wattage so you avoid underpowering your laptop. Once done, make sure the dock is plugged into a grounded outlet, then connect the power to the dock first. If your laptop doesn't support hot plug, power it off before mating connectors. Now attach the docking cable, USB-C or Thunderbolt, and click or secure any latches. This prevents power or data negotiation issues when you boot the system. Next, you plug in displays and peripherals to the dock, because the dock routes video, network, and USB. Connect monitors with DisplayPort, HDMI, or USB-C, and arrange them in the OS display settings. Choose a primary screen if needed. Attach keyboard, mouse, Ethernet, and any USB storage to the dock's ports. Then install or update Lenovo docking drivers and firmware. This fixes compatibility and unlocks features like multi-stream transport. If a monitor is blank, finally, power on your laptop and verify that devices appear in Device Manager and that Ethernet or Wi-Fi functions as expected. Make adjustments to audio routing, display resolutions, and power settings, and save profiles when the OS or Lenovo utility allows it. Once everything is stable, test sleep and wake behavior to ensure the dock handles power transitions. If something goes wrong, reboot the dock and laptop, update drivers, and swap cables or ports. These steps resolve most connection and recognition problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.